Now, Surrey champions Mona Heights Primary were dethroned of the ScotiaBank Kids Championship title after being beaten by Rousseau Primary in the final held recently at the UWI Bowl. The ScotiaBank Kids Championship started back in 2014 but was played in Latin America. Last year, it was introduced to Jamaica, with Corinaldi Avenue Primary being crowned national champions. The competition is played in 3 regions: Cornwall, Middlesex and Surrey. Mona Heights Primary were the Surrey champions, and they were back in the final for the 2nd year in a row, but they would not be as fortunate as the first year. They went up against Rousseau Primary and were beaten 3-2. Shaquan Thompson scored all 3 goals for Rousseau Primary.
We take it one game at a time. We know there's a big prize ahead, but where we at Rousseau State, we go from day to day to strengthen ourselves. Let us look on the next game, and then from the next game to the next game, and then whatever come after, we will accept it. But we do game to game, and we want to say thanks.
It has been a competitive game. We lost by the odd goal. We'd have done everything in our power to try and win the game, but unfortunately we will end up on the losing end.
The tournament is not like other youth team competitions. Each team is made up of 8 players, 4 boys and 4 girls, and there must be 2 girls on the field at all times.
From the very top down, FIFA is stressing the growth and improvement of the women in sport, the women in the game. And this ScotiaBank tournament is one of the only tournaments that insists on equal numbers across the genders. And not just equal numbers, but also in terms of the girls, the players. All players must play every game.
It's a welcomed move for the girls, who relish the opportunity to play alongside their male counterparts.
I was very excited when our coach told us, and this is a very great experience. That is very important because females need to learn how to express themselves and do what they like.
I feel very excited at the beginning, but it starts to get challenging, so I just put those nerves aside and I try to get better.
The tournament is also more than football.
It's very unique in the sense that the game is coupled with what we call a League of Life, which is a board game that teaches financial literacy to the kids. It's played somewhat similar to Monopoly, where it's a roll of the dice, and then there are 2 boards. On one board they are playing like a football match with penalties, corner kicks, throw-ins, etc. And then on the second board they are able to buy properties, rent properties, make investments, pay taxes, etc. So those things, those elements make it very unique and special.
The national champions will be crowned over 2 days from May 30 to 31 at the Westbow Park in St. James.